And what happens when you get to the page where you can enter the email address to get a code and the code never gets emailed to you? So this was asked by one of you in the comment section of my previous Facebook recovery video, and therefore I'm going to show you different methods through which you can fix Facebook 6-digit code not being received either on the phone number or in the email address. So this is going to address all the Facebook verification code issues, whether it's a two-factor authentication code or Facebook password reset code or even Facebook account recovery code. So just make sure that you follow each and every step carefully up to the last point so that you can try all of them, because I've tried to exhaust all the methods that are available. And for future recovery videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I make a new video. So the first solution is for you to ensure that you have a stable network and internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you have to ensure that you are fully connected. And you can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and then you try requesting for a code. Or if you're using mobile data, you try switching to Wi-Fi, and then again you request for the code. So once this is in place, then now you can move on to the next steps, but this has to be the first step. So the second solution is for you to turn on and turn off airplane mode. So you first turn on the airplane mode, then after a few seconds you turn it off. Then after that you can now switch on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, but you can't use the two. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you have to stick to Wi-Fi, but if you're using mobile data, then you have to stick to mobile data, and then you try requesting for a code. So if after trying the first solution and the second solution you're still not able to get the code, then now we can move to the third solution. Now the third solution is for you to clear cache on both your browser and Facebook app. So if you're using a browser, you long press it on home screen, then select app info, then go to storage and cache, and then you clear cache. But if you're logging in using the Facebook app, you go to your home screen, then you long press on the Facebook app, then select app info, then you go to storage and cache, and then you ensure that you clear the cache. So this is to make sure that your browser or Facebook app loads faster. Then now the fourth solution is for you to restart your device, having tried those first three. So you restart, not to reset, but to restart your device. So this is to make sure that the other changes apply automatically when you turn the phone on. And the fifth solution is for you to allow SMS notifications on your messages app. And to do so, you're going to open your phone settings. So then from settings, you're going to scroll to app management. Then you go to app list. Then from there you scroll to messages. So this is if you're receiving the code via messages. So then you click on it, then you go to permissions. So from here you ensure that the SMS permissions are allowed. So you'll see the option of SMS. So as for me, I've already allowed, but in case you've not, you have to select allow. So but in case you're receiving messages via the Gmail app, you're going to go back to your app list, and then you scroll to Gmail. So from here now, under Gmail you have to enable notifications. So under all apps, you go to Gmail, then go to permissions, and then you ensure that the phone and notifications permissions are enabled. So all the notifications should be enabled such that when a code is sent, you're able to receive it via your notifications tab. And now this takes us to the sixth solution, whereby in this case you're going to ensure that when you receive mails on your Gmail app, you go to the spam folder, because sometimes not all emails that are sent, not all of them go to the primary folder. So you make sure that when you open your Gmail app, you click on the three dash menu at the top left corner, Then instead of checking under important or primary, you go to spam. So sometimes you might find the message with the verification code is hidden under the spam folder. So this is in rare occasions though, but that is what you can do if the previous methods don't work. So after checking there, you can get the code and then you try requesting for a new one. So the seventh solution is for you to reset all your network settings. And to do so, you're going to open your phone settings. So from settings, you're going to scroll down and then you select system. So under system, you go to reset phone. So then you select reset Wi-Fi settings. Then you can choose, when you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you choose the one that you're using and you reset. So after that, then you can try requesting for a code again. So in case this doesn't also work, then the eighth solution is for you to change your IP address, and to do so you have to install an VPN. So as for my case, I tried using the secure VPN. So you make sure that you install the VPN and then you connect. So connecting is to ensure that your IP address is changed so that you're able to receive the code. So in case you're already connected but you're not receiving the code, then you can try doing the opposite. You disconnect the VPN instead and then you try requesting for a code. So the other two additional options are for you to try using another device in case you've tried all these methods using the one that you've always been logging in from and you're not getting the code. And this is in case you're trying to do the two-factor authentication or other code requests. Then the final solution is for you to wait for some time until Facebook fixes that error in case it's a general issue. So I hope one of these methods will work for you, and in case you have any other inquiries, you can drop them in the comment section, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when I make a new update, you will be among the first to watch. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.